afternoon, traders. We just have Microsoft that popped to $350. Quarterly earnings report is out. The stock is currently up $16.68. The high in the after hours hit $350. The low was $331. There will be a conference call. They will have to talk about the quarter and whatnot. And the option trades, we bought the call contracts and we also have the put contracts. We will update again momentarily. Okay, everybody, I found out we beat by $1 billion on the Microsoft trade on the earnings. That was extraordinary beat for Microsoft. Stock is up 18.35. We hit that 350 high. The earnings reaction to $1 billion a beat is a beat. There will be a conference call. We'll see if they're going to give upside guidance and what they have to say. So this is the move. The option prices on the call side were 86 cents on the 350 call, which was way up out of the money. And then if they were going to miss, the put options down here at the 305s were only 56 cents. So if we were down $20, that side would go up, and then the call side would go down, and one value is going to be bigger than the other, and that's called risk management, trading the earnings season. So we'll come back to this once we find out what happens. We're coming back up toward that 350. It was a remarkable beat on the headline number by the revenue of $1 billion plus. All right.